That's kind of cool. Coffee here comes with a small piece of scotch tape. So you're definitely getting more out of your money. Catch you guys tomorrow. So yesterday I got in Taipei and there was a pretty interesting comment in the Facebook group about whether or not traders use indicators. And I think the best person who summarized that whole topic was Etienne Crete. Let me pull up the clip.
It's like, oh, it looks like the market has shifted again. They went from indicators to price action to these bat patterns, and then I don't know what the next wave is. But the market goes through certain waves of what they like, then they downplay the previous thing, saying, oh, that thing doesn't work, it's garbage, use this is the new thing.
Yeah.
So they go through the whole phase, but you know, us as mentors, we look at that and like, okay, so the market's in a new stage now.
So the trading indication kind of market goes into different phases. Indicators were really popular a long time ago, now it's like more price action. It's going to be something different later on. But we need to understand that every trader has their own style. And most of the traders I've met in person traded with indicators. That's the fact. I've met maybe one or two trading only with price action, like price action and long. But most of the time it's indicators. Why? Because it's easier to trade. Much easier to follow an indicator as opposed to having to yourself look at the price and identify everything. Because guess what? If you feel bad, the indicators still show the same level. But price action and the things you look at in the market are going to show different things. And you might interpret in a different way. But the indicator is always going to be the same. It's going to be a value, always same value, no matter how you feel. And that might make it much easier to look at the chart and place the right trades at the right time when things change for yourself. So that's my own take on it, but you do whatever you want. Now yesterday was my idea to come from Hualien to Taipei, so let's rewind a little bit. If you enjoy the travel part, then stick to it, and we'll get started with that right away. Good morning traders, welcome back to Hualien in Taiwan. I'm just about to leave this place to go to Taipei. Gotta take a train today. That's gonna be pretty cool. Let's get started with that right away. And I made it to the Hualien train station. It's a little bit chaotic, a lot of people here, and everything written in Chinese, but we'll figure it out. My train leaves at 11:38, and the clock here says 11:04, so I have some time to spend here. Look at people. I made it to the right platform. Now it's just a question of waiting for the right train, and that's going to be a cool journey. And we made it to Taipei. Fortunately, the subway system in Taipei is very easy to navigate, which is wonderful. And I've made it now to the station I was supposed to be at, but I cannot check into my Airbnb right now. I have to wait till I think 5 PM, which gives me like 2 hours to spare and go around. Just find a coffee shop. This is the equivalent of a coffee shop in Taiwan, so a lot of people here. Not that good to work though, this. Alright, let's go to another place. that looks like a pretty local area I'll be staying in, which is cool. Apparently it's kind of turned into a night market at night, which I'm curious to look at tonight or tomorrow, whatever. And Airbnb is definitely the way to go in those places. If you guys want to have a free travel credit, check out the link below. I think you get a $45 travel credit and also get free like $20 something when you use that link to sign up. So free money in the link below. Now Andres is not very glamorous sitting on the street like this in front of a 7-Eleven, but I couldn't find a coffee shop. We're drinking some Chardonnay and we have Wi-Fi, so wonderful. But those times when you kind of have to wait when you travel are kind of boring a little bit sometimes. That's why you have to develop some skills to entertain yourself and I guess work. I didn't remember Taipei to be that busy, but it's quite impressive. Like all the scooters and stuff as big as like Hong Kong or all these places, so it's pretty crazy. Of course, given the fact that I come from a very calm environment in Hualien, that was like really peaceful, but here, forget the peacefulness, at least for now. Okay, I'm headed to the Airbnb. Check this out, this is pretty cool. I think it's one of the best I've had so far. Really well decorated, probably like the cutest one if you want to call it that way. But look at that, this is the room right here which I'm standing in. We've got a full room, which is pretty cool. And then there's all this apartment which is available, so it's kind of a kitchen. It's a desk, perfect for videos and editing. And the room here with like a sofa and everything, that's pretty cool. So this is kind of the upper floor of an apartment, but it's pretty good, I think. Makes a lot of sense for a stay in Taipei. Looking forward to it. Okay, and with that being said, it's gonna be time to grab some food, and I'm super hungry. Let's see what kind of food option we have around. I came to kind of a more quiet place as the night market and try to find something to eat. It's pretty cool, but let's get back inside. There you go, on the second day here in Taipei. Hope you guys like this video. Give a like if you enjoyed the video today. Comment below with your thought. If there's anything I should do in Taipei, comment below as well. If you are in Taipei, comment below for sure. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Ciao.